Today I'm going to show you how to display your emails in Conversation View in Thunderbird. This feature groups related messages together, making it much easier to follow email threads and stay organized. First, open your Thunderbird application on your computer. Once it loads, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see your folder pane. This is where all your email folders are displayed, including your inbox, sent items, and any custom folders you've created. Go ahead and click on the folder where you want to enable Conversation View. This could be your inbox or any other folder where you'd like to see emails grouped by conversation. Selecting the folder is important because the view settings you're about to adjust will apply specifically to that folder. Now here's a handy trick. Press the Alt key on your keyboard. This will reveal additional menu options at the top of the Thunderbird window that might not be visible by default. These menus give you access to more advanced settings and customization options. With the menu bar now visible, click on View. This menu contains all the options related to how your emails and folders are displayed. From the View menu, locate and click on Sort By. This option controls how your messages are organized within the folder. Finally, click on Threaded. This is the key step that enables Conversation View. By selecting Threaded, Thunderbird will automatically group emails with the same subject line together, showing them as expandable conversations. This makes it incredibly easy to see the full context of any email exchange without having to search through individual messages. And that's it. Your emails in that folder are now displayed in Conversation View, making your email management much more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.